Hi, I'm Alana. One of the most important steps that families tend to miss is keeping their child in a belt positioning booster seat until they fit in the adult seat belt. Here we have two 9-year-old boys. They're actually brothers, both different sizes, but both of them are missing some component of passing the 5-step test to be able to use the adult seat belt without a booster seat. So here we have Caden, who is not quite touching the floor. The lap belt is on his soft abdomen and the shoulder belt is not touching his collarbone. And then Liam over here is touching with feet on the floor, sitting straight up. The lap belt is a little bit on his soft abdomen and not touching his collarbone either. So now let's take a look at how they both fit in a couple of the Diono belt positioning booster seats. As you can see, both boys are fitting much safer in the adult seat belt using a booster seat. Over here we have our all-in-one convertible car seats converted to booster mode, and over here our dedicated booster, the Monterey XT. Both allow the lap belt to fit high on the thighs and the shoulder belt to fit on the center of the collarbone. This is a much safer way for bigger kids to ride. Remember, don't consider age, consider the size and the weight of your child. I'm Alana Pinkerton. Safe travels, enjoy the journey.